In this video, we're going to look at frequency distribution. So this table here, we have time and we have frequency. So the time is between 30 and 35 minutes. 10 people come home in that time period to complete a 5-mile run, and so on. So using 30 to 35, no, 30 to 35 means 30 is included, but 35 is not, etc. And that's the way these mid-interval value questions work. So it says using mid-interval values, calculate the mean finishing time. So we know 10 people finished in this time period, but we don't know the exact time of each. So we're going to take the mid-interval of 30 to 35, which is 32.5. And we're going to multiply it by the frequency, which is 10. We're going to take the mid-interval of 35 to 40, which is 37.5, and we're going to multiply by 6. We're going to continue down underneath in a sec. We're going to take 42.5 as the mid-interval of 40 to 45. And we're going to multiply by 22. And we're going to take 47.5 to be the mid-interval of 45 to 50. And we're going to multiply that by 29. And then we're going to add 52.5 times 7 for the last one. And if we add all of these together, we are going to get 3230. Just double check that on a calculator. 3230. And if we divide that by 10 and 6 is 16, and 22 38, and 36 is 74, we will get the average time, which is 43.65 minutes. Does that look like it's somewhere within our main people? 43 is in here, isn't it? You can see the main part of the field was in these two, the 22 and the 29. So the average is in there somewhere, and it's 43.65, so nearly at 45. What's the maximum? They love these questions. The maximum number of people who could have completed the run in less than 37. So that's in here somewhere. So if it was the minimum, we'd exclude all of these 6. We'd say, well, they all finished in just under 40 minutes. So when it's the maximum, we include all of these. So we can say 16 would be the answer to this one. Max and min questions are really easy. Don't get confused by the terminology of what they're asking you. Second frequency question. You shouldn't need too many of these to master them. You might want to do 1 or 2 more out of your textbook. Find how many people are living on the street is part 1 here. 24 and 16 is 40, and 40 and 56 is 96. Estimate the mean age. Now we're not asked to guess here. We're going to take these mid-interval values. We're going to take 24 by the 10 that's in the middle here. So 10 by 24 plus in here. And you can see here the band here is 20 and the band here is 10. So we have 25 by 16 plus what's in the middle here, 40 by 41 plus 50 to 80 is a jump of 30. So we have 65 halfway by 15. And if we multiply these out, we're going to get 3255 divided by the 96 will give 33.91. Does that fit where we would estimate it? We'd estimate it in this 41 sector here, so it is in there. Estimate the mean age, that's 33.91. And what percentage of people are less than 20 years old? Well, that's just a silly question, isn't it, to throw in here. 24 over 96 is a quarter, isn't it? 24 over 96 times 100. They ran out of stuff to ask here, so that's 25% or a quarter. So these frequency distributions, straightforward enough questions as an intro into leaving cert statistics.